In solving the order of operations, I'm not going to write down the rules that you follow, but I will address them. If you need a little more help or practice, you really should consult some of the other videos or worksheets that I have posted in YouTube. For this one, within parentheses, you look for embedded or nested parentheses. So we have this grouping symbol, and then you have this set of grouping symbols and this set of grouping symbols. Okay, so within each of these, we'll see if we can do anything. Within here, the difference of 18 and 11, the signs are different, so you subtract, keep the sign of the larger. This yields a 7. Okay, and then this is a whole separate set of grouping symbols, so I'll go ahead and do something within here. In this case, the signs are the same, so you add and keep the sign. So this will give us a negative 27. Okay, notice the first thing that I've written on the line is what I decided to do. Then I go back and bring down anything that I have not touched. This negative sign hasn't been used at all, so it's going to drop down. You could bring down these grouping symbols. You don't have to, but it might help you understand how to deal with these two signs. Certainly haven't gotten rid of this grouping symbol yet. And then this guy's still waiting. All right, my preference is whenever I have two signs in front of a number, provided there's not an exponent up here of a 2 or 3, anything higher than a 1, I clean this up. I use the rules of multiplication. Negative times negative is a positive. So on this line, that's all I'm going to do. You could maybe get by with less writing, but I just want to emphasize my practice here. And I encourage you to be willing to write a little bit more if you're having trouble solving these correctly. Now, still within the grouping symbols, at this point it would be quite obvious the signs are the same. We add and keep the sign. Bring down whatever we haven't touched. These brackets, I really don't need them because all I'm going to bring down is this positive or plus, those words are interchangeable, and the negative 2. So I have a negative 2, a positive 34. When I combine them, I get a positive 32.